Hey friends, welcome back to another video in my Whole House Declutter series. Today we're heading into a small category, but where it still tends to get messy and overwhelming quickly. My makeup and perfume collection. I like to wipe everything down and give it a fresh start. My perfumes stay on a little tray, away from heat and sunlight, and that helps them last longer. Today I'm trying to declutter with intention and simplifying my beauty collection to only what I truly use and love. As an expecting mom, I've been thinking a lot more about what I bring into my home and how it supports the life I want to live. And honestly, having a clutter-free space just helps me feel more calm and more in control, especially in the areas I use daily like this one. Perfumes are a bit hard for me to declutter. I don't have so many, and I want to use it all up before just trashing it. But if I'm not reaching for it anymore, it might be time to let it go. We need to keep what sparks joy now, not just what once did. So if a scent brings back old memories but gives you a headache now, or just don't like the scent on you anymore, maybe it's time to just let it go. Today I'm keeping these 7 perfumes. A few of them is travel size, and most of the perfumes is almost used up. My makeup I use every day is in this black makeup bag. Let's start to declutter my makeup bag. I feel like it's kind of minimalistic, but even this can get chaotic. I also keep some hair accessories and all of my nail stuff in this bag. I have a backstock of unopened makeup that I also will go through. Earlier in life, I worked at a cosmetic company for almost 4 years, where I began to collect a lot of makeup, both many different kind of makeup products, but also a giant amount of backstock, where it will take me longer than my own life to use it all up. And I actually never got around to use a lot of makeup. First of all, I have freckles and I don't like foundation that covers my freckles. So I mostly only used eye and lip products and a blush or contour and sometimes a concealer. And even that makeup I like to keep very simple. That's why I feel like this toiletry bag is minimalistic. And this is how I declutter. First thing I like to do is to take everything out. Here I have everything inside in my toiletry bag, so I just take one thing out at a time. So when I can see it all, it's easy to spot what I haven't used in ages. When I declutter makeup, I ask myself, do I like this product? Do I actually wear it? Is it still in good condition or has it expired? So if it's old, dried out, expired, or not flattering on me anymore, it's going in the trash or to recycling if possible. I always only donate makeup that hasn't been used and is still unopened. It's very easy to hold onto products just in case, but I have found that only keeping what fits my current lifestyle and taste makes my routine so much simpler. Even though I try to keep things minimal, my collection of makeup can easily grow. So doing a project plan or a no buying year is a good way to reduce buying more makeup for me. Right now I'm not taking on either of these projects, but I may do it in a future video. If you would like to see me do such a project, please let me know in the comments. And here's a little tip. Be honest about your routines or habits. I used to keep many pretty eyeshadow palettes with lots of colors, just in case, for special occasions. But in reality, I always go for the neutral tones when there is a special occasion, and maybe only 2 different neutrals. Keeping the fantasy version of myself doesn't serve me. It just clutters my space. I will only keep one eyeshadow, and it is this one in a warm beige tone. Sometimes I also smell the product to see if it still smells the same or maybe it has expired. Else I try and follow the months written on the products. I have some of this setting powder left in this little container. It's from my last Hourglass product and I will show you the new in just a few seconds. I will first try to use the small amount up that is left and this foundation from, I think it's called Tia. I don't know how to pronounce. Anyway, it's something I recently bought in Japan to try out. I think it covers really well, but I tend to mostly use it as a concealer under my eyes so I don't cover my freckles. Then I have many lip products and a few contour sticks. Those I will trash because I don't like the consistency of the product. And I prefer to use my dry blush for contouring. I'll keep my lip products. All the products that is on the right side of the makeup bag I have decluttered and is going to be recycled or trashed because it is expired or I have used it and I don't like it anymore. And the items on the left is unopened makeup that I will donate. I will also trash the serums for lashes because I don't think they really work for me from this brand. This is the result of my decluttering of my makeup bag. My beauty bag feels so much better and organized. Everything has a home and is easy to find and grab because it's not too cramped anymore. So 16 products decluttered from my makeup bag. And my makeup Backstock is next to be decluttered. Let's go through my Backstock. All of these products are still brand new and unopened, which makes them perfect for donating if I decide not to keep them. So I think I have quite a lot of downsizing to do here. My goal is to keep only a small intentional Backstock. Just the products I know I'll repurchase when I run out of what's currently in my makeup bag, not like maybe or someday items. So here I have to make a more minimalistic decision. And I'll keep my new lip products and donate the contour/concealer sticks. It's kind of hard for me to part with because I designed the products back when I worked at the cosmetic firm as a graphic designer, but I really don't use them. I've always used this kind of wet eyeliner in black, and back when I worked at a cosmetic brand, I stocked up, like really stocked up. I probably thought that I will always use eyeliner, but you know, things change. These days I only reach for an eyeliner on special occasions. I'll just try this lipstick on and I didn't like it, so now it's trash. So today I'm trying to make a more minimalist choice. I'll keep half and donate the other 3. That way I still have backups, but not an excessive amount that I realistically won't use. This is also a good reminder that even good deals or products we once loved can quietly become clutter when they no longer fit our lifestyle. It's okay to let go, even of perfectly good things. 16 to donate and 1 trash. And that's it. A total of 33 items decluttered in this video. I'm really stunned that I had so many items to declutter from this category. My beauty collection feels so much lighter now, and is more aligned with how I actually live. I hope this gave you a little motivation or a gentle nudge to go through your own beauty collection. And thanks for being here with me and joining this journey to a simpler and more intentional home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's more to come.